What you are hearing right now might not be considered to be music, but one thing is for sure. It does make people happy, and it makes people dance. Makes people dance. It does make people happy, and it makes people